Nature has the ability to bring me so much peace. And a simple walk through the forest can prove immensely restorative. I want to protect the forest, and to best protect something, I believe that you need to care about it. And if you truly care about something, you have curiosity and a desire to understand. Hi, I'm Carolyn. So this is the story of some people who care. And we're scientists. Welcome to our Forestry Sciences Laboratory in Burlington, Vermont. Let me introduce you to the people behind the science we do here.
My research project is developing RNA interference technology against fungal pathogens on trees. So in a sense, I am working as a tree doctor making drugs to help fight tree disease. And I also like working with organisms because they grow in strange and interesting ways. So it's fun to watch plates of fungus and trees in the greenhouse, and that's something that I really enjoy watching.
Science brings me a lot of joy through curiosity. Looking at other people, other organisms living and thriving is a way that I can keep perspective on how to keep myself happy. And that's what I want to do my whole life, is be happy.
I took this class called Biology and Ecology of Aquatic Ecosystems, and I kind of thought it was the coolest thing ever. And I liked studying water and being outside, and I realized that I should just do exactly what I love. So now I'm here, and I'm studying science, and it's kind of the best thing ever.
So working in our lab can be amazing, but it doesn't always go to plan.
We are now just 6 days out from a government shutdown if an agreement is not reached.
So the shutdown kept going.
We are now into week 3 of the government shutdown with no end in sight.
And going.
Well, today marks day 35 of the government shutdown, tying it with the longest shutdown in American history.
And going.
It's very much ready, fire, aim on most of these programs, and it has a human cost.
And the projects we were working on in our lab were deemed unessential practically overnight.
We've really been scrambling to keep things organized and to keep things on track. It's just purely tissue culture. It's like we're not doing any sort of DNA extractions or PCR, because also, fun fact, we don't have a PCR machine right now and we are waiting to buy a new one. And so government funds aren't available for that right now.
It really sucks that people won't let us just help them, literally help them. We're tree doctors. Let us be doctors.
It's been scary and difficult, just with the constant looming threat of losing funding, losing jobs, and overall just a stance that our government is taking against research does not inspire pride or confidence in our country.
It's someone's career, and who is the government to say that someone's career shouldn't matter / shouldn't exist,
It feels personally discouraging as someone who really likes research and wants to hopefully continue to pursue a career in that field.
So it's not easy being a scientist these days.
I don't know if it's saving the world to keep chestnut trees alive, but it probably makes a lot of people a lot happier when their trees aren't sick and they have a lot of trees.
I think I'm just lucky that I feel like I know what I need in order to be happy, and I'm gonna make it happen.
I agree. You just gotta persevere.
Yeah, exactly.
People are naturally curious to learn about what's going on in the world, and That's something that's never going to go away from humans.
I'm a very curious person, and I feel like I always have a lot of questions just about how the world works, and I've always been that way, and I love it because I feel like I can get answers with science, and even like non-answers are answers.
We may not have figured it all out yet, but we're not going to stop caring, and we're not going to stop trying.
You know, the world's not always going to be friendly to science, but we can always be friendly to the world, so.